wants to make people happy, just do it. Sometimes people are struggling silently. Maybe your act of kindness can make their day. Rich countries could be close to normal by late 2021 if a COVID-19 vaccine works, is ready soon and distributed properly, Bill Gates said. We still don't know whether these vaccines will succeed, he said. We are talking with Russia and China. None of their vaccines is in phase 3 trial with a highly regarded regulator overseeing that trial, he added. Sri Lanka to take action against those avoiding COVID-19 treatment. Sri Lanka on Wednesday widened curfew and warned of legal action against those avoiding treatment for coronavirus. This comes a day after a new virus cluster centered around a garment factory was detected in Columbus suburb. The Ministry of Health was prohibited public gatherings until further notice. The country has reported 4,442 cases and 13 deaths so far. 19 cases in India cross 67 lakhs. Recovery surpassed 57 lakhs. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 67 lakhs 57,131 as 72,049 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The coronavirus death toll in the country has risen to 1,04,555, while 57 lakhs 44,693 coronavirus patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 9 lakhs 7,883 are active. Senior Trump advisor Stephen Miller tests positive for COVID-19. Stephen Miller, a top policy advisor to US President Donald Trump, said that he has tested positive for the coronavirus. He added that he was working remotely and self-isolating over the past 5 days. Miller is among at least 11 White House staffers who tested positive after Trump and First Lady Melania Trump were diagnosed last week. Krunal's expression after coming to bat goes viral. Fans turn it into memes. Mumbai Indians all-rounder Krunal Pandya's face expression after walking it to the bat following promotion in batting order against Rajasthan Royals went viral on social media. Several fans turned the picture into a meme with one writing, "My mood in the morning before chai." Another fan wrote, "When there were no chance cheerleader to motivate you to hit boundaries." Want to be tallest model? US girl who broke world record for longest legs. Texas 17-year-old Macy Curran, who was broken the Guinness record for the world's longest legs female, said she wants to achieve the record for being the world's tallest professional model in future. The 6 feet 10 inch tall girl's left leg measures 135.267 cm and right leg measures 134.3 cm. She said she was bullied because she was taller than everyone. The government has approved the appointment of M. Rajeshwar Rao as Deputy Governor of the RBI. Rao is currently Executive Director at RBI. The post fell vacant after N.S. Vishwanathan resigned from the post 3 months ahead of his retirement in June. Prior to taking over as ED, Rao served as the Chief General Manager, Financial Markets Operation Department. New traffic regulations issued for Atal Tunnel after 3 accidents in 72 hours. Unnecessary stoppage and overspeeding at the Atal Tunnel have been banned after 3 accidents were reported there within just 3 days. Under the new traffic regulations, unnecessary movements in the tunnel's emergency exits have completely been banned. There is also a full ban on photography and videography from 200 meters before the south portal up to the tunnel's end. COVID-19 positive Indian teacher takes online classes in Dubai. 2 Dubai-based Indian teachers, Mohammad Mohsin and Josh Kumar from Gulf Model School, who tested positive for coronavirus, are taking online classes for their students from their quarantine center, according to reports. Mohsin said he wanted to teach because he had enough strength to take online classes. Kumar added that he was worried about students as exams were approaching. New H-1B visa rules require companies to pay higher wages. The Trump administration on Tuesday announced significant changes to the H-1B visa program for high-skilled foreign workers that will require companies to pay them higher wages. Top administration officials said that the changes were made to protect American jobs during the pandemic. The rules will specifically affect tech companies that long supported H-1B visas. The male brain is 10% bigger than the female's, but the female brain works more efficiently. Watching a scary movie for 90 minutes burn up to 113 calories, which is same as a 30-minute walk. Having trouble falling asleep? Try the 4-7-8 technique. 4-second inhale, 7-second hold, 8-second release and repeat it. It really works. Every 7 years, your body is completely replaced with entirely new cells. So just because you look the same doesn't mean you are. Ola completes more than 100 crore rides every year. It empowers 15 lakh people as driver partners on its platform and is present in more than 250 cities. Thank you for watching. I hope it is very useful to you. Share this